It's always you. It's not them. When you are the way you are, when you're walking down the street in your own mental attitude, people will respond to that attitude. Because remember, cause and effect. So if you're the cause, you're bringing about these effects by way of different people. But when you change your mood, they change. So on the outside, because people always ask that question, can I make people do what I want them to do? Oh, humanity. You gotta love humanity. Can I make people do what I want them to do? Ah, jeez. It's you who has to change your perspective, your mental attitude. And that's what makes people change. See, on the outside, it looks like they are changing. But in actuality, they are simply responding. See it? They are responding to you, not that you are changing them. They are responding to the change you initiated, right? That's what's happening. So sometimes, see that old way of thinking? Well, how can I bend them to my will? How can I make them do what I want? You see where that comes from? It comes from a place of feeling powerless. Honestly, it looks like when you say that you want to make somebody conform to you, in the beginning that looks as if you're powerful. But in actuality, you aren't. Because that is not a characteristic of true power. Right? So it's not that we are changing anyone else. Oh, hallelujah. Just wait. He doesn't have proper footing yet. Mm. hmm Okay. He's got to get that sure footing and then, but anywho. You see, it's never them. It is always going to be you. That's how you know you've got the power. When you change your mental attitude, when you change your perspective, and you watch the world around you appear to conform, it conforms to what you are. Do you see where your power is? Your power is the power to change your life. It is. I came across this girl last night on Instagram. She's like a little Bratz doll. You know how they have the exaggerated lips, but those are her real lips.